you're experiencing approval delays on Spotify, follow these steps to help expedite the process. This guide will provide you with practical solutions to address common issues. Step 1. Check submission guidelines. Ensure that your submission adheres to Spotify's guidelines. Review the requirements for artwork, audio quality, and metadata to avoid any potential rejections that could cause delays. Step 2. Contact support. Reach out to Spotify support team through their official channels. Provide them with details about your submission and any issues you are facing. They can offer specific insights or updates regarding your approval status. Step 3. Resubmit if necessary. If you discover that your initial submission had errors or did not meet the guidelines, correct the issues and resubmit your content. Make sure to double-check everything before submitting again to avoid further delays. Step 4. Promote your release. While waiting for approval, start promoting your upcoming release on social media and other platforms. This can create buzz and may even prompt Spotify to prioritize your submission due to increased interest. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. Approval processes can take time, so be patient. If you haven't heard back after a reasonable period, follow up with support to check on the status of your submission. Persistence can sometimes help expedite the process. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on Spotify and increase your chances of a timely release. Good luck!